Welcome to Genesis Bible Study. The faith of Joseph is amazing. In Genesis 11:22, Joseph's faith is explained about his coffin or his body, bones carried back to promised land. Joseph's brothers packed him off to Egypt, and their descendants had to carry his bones back from Egypt to promised land. Joseph instructed his brothers to embalm his body and carry it when God will visit them to fulfill his promise and take them to the promised land. Genesis 50:24-26. Though Joseph was blessed in Egypt with power, position, possession, privilege, prestige, and popularity, he chose to let his bones remain in promised land rather than the present land of Egypt. So nearly 300 years later, Moses did not forget in a hurry to pick up the bones of Joseph. There are some legends that says Pharaoh tried to hide the coffin of Joseph so that the Israelites will not leave. And some legend says Pharaoh put that coffin in the bed of river Nile, and Moses went there and called Moses, Joseph, come out. So the coffin floated and they brought it. Anyway, that may be stories, but the truth is, after 300 years, the descendant of Moses descendants of Jacob did not forget. And perhaps it was the longest funeral procession in the history, because 40 years they carried the coffin box all through the wilderness. So then we see in Shechem, Joseph's bones were buried by Joshua. Joshua 24:32 says that. So if you look at the history, Shechem was the place where Joseph was sold and his journey was complete, that his bones were buried by Joshua there. So Hebrews commends Joseph for the faith that he had, that he commanded his people to carry his coffin to the promised land. So the faith of Joseph is amazing. So in the hall of fame of faith, Joseph is remembered for that one great event. So Jacob also did not want him to be buried in Egypt. So Joseph took him there. Joseph made his children and the brother's descendant to carry his bones back. So when the people carried the bones of Joseph, they remembered the faith of Joseph. And not only that, they remembered the promise of God. So that kindled the hope. So the coffin was not a symbol of death, but it ignited faith and hope in the minds of Israel. May God bless us.